iPhones now use HEIC high-efficiency image format for better quality with smaller file sizes. Having trouble opening HEIC in iPhone text messages? This guide shows what HEIC is and how to view it easily in Messages. Part 1. What is a HEIC file? HEIC high-efficiency image coding is a modern image format by MPEG. It reduces file size while keeping high quality, making photos easier to store and share, saving space without losing clarity. Part 2. Why can't you open HEIC file on iPhone text message? If you've received a HEIC file through text on your iPhone, you might have noticed that it won't open right away. That's because the default messaging app on the iPhone doesn't support HEIC files. Part 3. How to open HEIC file on iPhone text message. Method 1. Save to Photos. In Messages, tap and hold the HEIC file Save Open in Photos. Method 2. Use a third-party app. Install a HEIC app, for example, Google Photos, Adobe Photoshop Express, grant access, and open the file to view, edit, or share. Method 3. Convert HEIC file to JPEG. You can also convert HEIC files to JPEG format that is supported by iPhone text message. Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter is an efficient tool that is specially designed to convert HEIC files to JPG or JPEG or PG format. Step 1. Download and install the HEIC to JPG Converter software on your computer. To open HEIC on iPhone text message, you can save the HEIC file to your Photos app on the iPhone. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer using a Lightning USB cable. Step 2. Open the software and click Add HEIC or Add File or Folder to import images. Step 3. Go to Conversion Settings, choose JPG or PG, adjust quality, and enable Keep EXIF data. Step 4. Click on the Convert button to begin the conversion process from HEIC to the selected destination format. Once completed, you can easily access and open HEIC files in JPG format. Part 4. Additional tips for handling HEIC files. Reception. Check HEIC type or size. Set iPhone to HEIC by default. Transfer. Use email, Bluetooth, or iCloud or Google Drive. Compatibility. Older devices may need file conversion.